Rivers and Coffee. This morning, I'm in Northwest Michigan on one of my favorite trout streams. It's been a very hectic and stressful week, which I know a lot of you can relate to that for sure. I'm gonna take a quick float, try to balance myself back out, find myself a little piece. If I'm lucky, I'll catch a trout or two on my way down. I'm definitely gonna have a cup of coffee and some fun. So thanks for joining me this morning, greatly appreciated. Okay, this looks like a great spot to take a break, brew up some coffee, take a couple of casts. I did see a couple of trout rising out there just a minute ago. All right, so I found this old board that somebody was throwing out the other day, and I thought, hey, I'm going to use that to make a little tray, a kayak tray, to brew some coffee on. So check this out. So I thought, okay, that'll work just fine. Oh, that's great. Oh, that was a lot of fun. I didn't catch any fish this morning, but that's okay. The kayak tray, I think it worked out pretty well. Few minor adjustments, and I think I'm going to use that. I definitely found some peace and balanced myself out this morning. Remember, take some time for yourself, get outside, find a little peace. Everybody deserves a little peace in their life. Remember, please leave no trace. Until next time, stay in peace, Rivers and Coffee. Okay, there's my handy dandy tray. I know we didn't have pancakes today. I didn't write that on there. It's just the way I found it. But we had coffee and some scones. Really nice. Okay, maybe we'll have pancakes next time. All right, stay in peace.